Welcome to a site here in Dundee, and we've taken on this really exciting commercial to residential project. We've got Simon here with us who helped find the site for us. Why is it you chose this site? Why did you choose this area? What appealed to you?
Well, there's a lot of regeneration coming through Dundee. It's a massive regeneration plan that's been going for the last 10-15 years. Dundee historically has had a massive mill industry. It's an industrial city. There's a lot of spaces that are still undeveloped and unused. This little site was quite good for us to look at and be able to potentially develop. So I kind of wanted to look at it from the plan perspective. First development I want to get into as well. And I'm from Dundee, so I'm a local boy and I know exactly what goes on in and out of the city. And it was a good investment, I thought, to be able to bring forward to these guys.
We really like this area, you know, and in the space that we've been in this morning, we've already found a number of other sites we're really interested in. Simon, why was it you came to speak with us about this site?
We've kind of known each other respectively for a few years now, going through our own individual property journeys. And I know for a fact you've been doing developments for the last while. I've been seeing your videos, especially the mansion video as well, seeing a lot of things that you guys have been doing. And you were my first port of call to come and speak to about development. And like I say, this is my first development. My experience has been about sourcing, and now I'm moving into my own kind of development projects. I needed to see where I could get funding, and coming to you guys was the first port of call because I know you've got amazing contacts. You each got unique skill sets that I can work with and leverage myself to be able to do my first project. So that was the real reason I kind of gave you a shout first.
Thank you. Yeah, it's been really good. I mentioned this site is a commercial to residential project. Now, obviously, David is here on site, our resident expert. David, why is this one so cool as a commercial conversion?
It's a really good example of a commercial to residential development, but also with this one, it's the location, because we've got on the main drag of the main road, but also you've got the harbour, you've got all the regeneration that's going to go on. The actual building plot itself is quite rectangular. There's not a lot of wasted space. Again, also there's been other developments nearby. There's been apartments further down the road. There's apartments across the road. What we're going to do with this one though is we're actually going to demolish it. So it's not going to be a commercial to residential conversion, it's going to be more of a demolish and build a brand new block of apartments.
It's exciting times. We really like this, and we really like working with people like Simon who bring deals to the table. So look, if you've got development deals, you want to partner with us in any form, please reach out. We love doing joint ventures and we'd love to work with as many people as is possible. So just drop a message to any of us four. We're more than happy to work with you. Can't wait to see you on the next site.